Hey guys, so it's Lachie here from New Zealand. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm going to teach you a short little dance. It's just the chorus of the song Juice by Lizzo. It's really energetic and fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So we'll get started. So we're going to get started with the dance. It starts off with a really strong pose and then a hit together. So I'm going to move quite quickly. So slow the video down if you need some more practice. So you've got pose, 2, 3, hit it. So your feet are coming together and you're clicking out to the side. Hit, 2, 3, together. Then we're going kick, behind, and our arms are just switching. So you have 1, 2, 3, and kick behind, kick behind. After that, we're going pulse, pulse, slide through. So that was just stepping forward on the right, pulsing your chest, and then bringing your arms over your head to put your feet together. After that, we have step together on the right, and windmill with your arms. Windmill, stop. From here, we're going to go hip, pop, and then on the second one, we're going to put our arms down. So it should look like this. Windmill, stop, hip, pop, yeah? Right, from the top, a 5, 6, 7, 8, hip, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pulse it, slide it through. Windmill, hip, pop. Good, moving on. We then have a grapevine to the left. Left, flick. Right, left, flick. Yeah? Jump, together. One more jump, out, and we're going around the body. So that little sequence was left, flick, right, flick, scoop, jump, around the world. Right, from the top with the music. So, moving on. We've just gone around the world. 3, 4. We have the box step. Swing, back. Yeah, so just going out, and back. Arms are going up, down. Here we go. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Go swing, back. Then we're going step together, click. And you're just going under the fence with the head, yeah? Here we go. 5, 6, swing your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Under the fence. Good. Then we have 2 body rolls. We're going left, then right. Yeah, and a body roll goes from the chest all the way down to your tummy into your hips. And we're just fanning ourselves off because we should be working hard at this point. So you've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, under the fence, bang. Good. Then we have 2 jumps and a step together. Jump, step together. Arms are going swing to the right, swing to the left, all the way around. Yeah? So we have jump and jump, step together. Good. Last little sequence, here we go. We're going down, together. The right arm swings in front first, opens out, and then the left comes to join the right, opens out. And all we're doing is going bend, jump. Good. Right, let's go from here. 6, 7, 8. Round, 2, 3, 4, go swing. And back. Under the fence. Bang. Jump it, step together, get low and up. Good. Right, let's try all of that from the top with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. sequence to go and we're done. So you've just gone jump, jump, step together, low, up. You're going to go walk, walk, big kick. Yeah, it doesn't matter where it is, but you're just going to do a really crazy big kick. Step, step, kick. Then we have 4 walks backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have jump, jump. So you're crossing your right foot over your left. You're going to unwind and pose. And that's the end. So we'll just go over that one more time. So you've gone down and up, walk, walk, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, go jump, jump, unwind, pose. And that's it, yeah? So let's do the whole thing from the very start. 5, 6, 7, 8, pose.
Wanna be way more than friends. What? More than friends. What you want me to say? It ain't my fault that I'm out here getting loose. Gotta blame it on the goose. Gotta blame it on my juice, baby. It ain't my fault that I'm out here making news. I'm the pudding in the pudding. Gotta blame it on my juice. Blame it on my juice. Blame it on my juice.
So guys, that is the full dance. I hope you enjoy it. Send me your videos, post them. I really want to see you guys doing that dance, yeah? And if you want the music, it's called Juice by Lizzo. But I hope you guys have a great time. I hope you're all doing well. Can't wait to see you guys again. Bye.